Have a nice day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Suraida Ibrahim Sama. I am 47 years old. I live in Barangay Mainit, Brooks Point, Palawan. I am a single parent with 4 daughters and 2 sons. My eldest daughter is 27 years old, followed by 25, 23, 20, 18, and the youngest one is 7 years old. I work in Saudi Arabia year 1998 to 2000 as a housekeeper. Then I work in Kuwait year 2013 to 2016 as a caring for elderly age 60 and 65. I work in Qatar year 2021 to 2022. As a babysitter of 6 years old girl. Then lastly, I work in Malaysia year 2022 to 2024 as a chief cook in a restaurant. Have a nice day. Thank you.